This video will review how to find horizontal asymptotes, and you'll need to look at your notes on the 3 different rules on how to find the horizontal asymptotes because they all refer to the highest degree and their leading coefficients. So go back in your notes and look for the 3 rules regarding the horizontal asymptotes. So here are those 3 rules regarding the horizontal asymptote. Remember that n is the degree, the highest degree in the numerator, and m is the highest degree in the denominator. So we look at rule number 1. It says that n is less than m, therefore y equals 0, or this would be the x-axis being the horizontal asymptote. In this case, in this rational expression, that's not the case. Number 2, if n equals m, meaning that the 2 degrees in both the numerator and the denominator are equal, then you're going to take their leading coefficients and divide them. And that is the case for this one. And so we'll come back to it, but let's just review rule number 3. If the numerator degree is higher than the degree in the denominator, then there is no horizontal asymptote. So if we take a look at rule number 2, it basically says to take the 2 leading coefficients and divide them. So I'm going to go ahead and take 2 divided by 4, simplify that, and it's going to equal down to 1/2. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 1/2.